Hi guys, it's Lee at Rockademy. Now I wanted to show you how to play a solo over chord changes. Now this involves knowing where the root notes are within your scale in the chord sequence. For this example, I'm going to use A natural minor. The A natural minor, the notes are really easy to remember. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, now the chord sequence that I'm going to use for this example is A minor, F, G. Famously, it's the same chord sequence as Stairway to Heaven, like the end bit, Jimmy Page solos. With that scale, you now need to know the root notes of the chords. So really, all you need to know is where all of the A's are, where all the F's are, and where all the G's are. Here are your A's. Okay, it's 3 of them. Now here are your F's. There's just 2. And here are your G's. Okay, again, there's only 2 G's. Okay, let me just show you again. So here are the A's. Here are the F's. And here are the G's. You want to play the root note on the first beat of the bar when that chord changes. So you can pick any one, it doesn't matter. So if you hear the A minor, let's take this note here, this A. So, on the first beat of the bar, use that A there. Okay, now on the first beat of the next chord change on the F, let's use this one here. Okay, and then for the G chord, let's use this one here. And then we're back to the A minor again. Okay, so we're going to use A, F, G, and back to A. Alright, now check this out. I'm going to play a backing track. It's a loop I made a minute ago. And it's just going to play this nice and slow for you, so see if you can follow. Listen out for those changes. This is a really popular method of soloing for guitar players, and if you've got a backing track or a second guitarist, it's not vital that you follow this rule all the time, you know, but it can really help if you're a lone guitar player and you go from switching chords to then playing lead. Okay, let me just demonstrate. Okay, so I'm going to jam around a little bit with the backing, then I'm going to turn the backing track off and just show you that you can still hear the chord change because I'll be using the root note of the changes on that first beat of the bar. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can see when I'm noodling about, having a backing track, it doesn't matter that much if I don't hit the root notes, okay? Because the story of the song is still being told with the chords. But if I take those chords out and it's just me playing a lead, using these root notes helps massively, okay? Check it out. Okay, so could you hear that? When I was playing those root notes in the second example, it kept those chord changes moving. So I've based this lesson around A minor, and I've used 3 chord changes that are quite popular, and that happened to fit perfectly around this natural minor scale. I would really recommend stick with like easy chords, like a pair of chords that you know quite well. And the first thing that you should probably try and do is pick out those root notes in the scale. Okay, pick out the root notes of the chords. Remember to change on that first beat of the bar. Hopefully this has been useful. I'll see you soon.